Marhaba and ahlan wa sahlan to this ELAN and FLEx tutorial. I am Bettina, and in the course of this tutorial you will learn what you can do with these two programs and how you can use them. Step by step, we will guide you through your first working experiences with ELAN and FLEx and show you how they basically work. But first, let's have a look at what these two programs are and what they can be used for. ELAN is basically a tool used for the transcription of audio or video material. So this is basically how an ELAN file looks like. Down here, you would have your transcriptions. In the middle, you can see your audio file. And on the top left, if you have one, you can see your video. Among the advantages of doing your transcriptions with ELAN is that you can align your transcriptions with your audio file. That means that you do not have to go back and forth while transcribing between your audio file and, for example, your Word document. It also facilitates looking up or playing again a certain passage in the audio file that you might have not understood in the first run. In the document we uploaded, you will find the download link for ELAN, as well as further links for instructions and other tutorials. FLEx is a tool which can help you working with your data once you're done transcribing your material in ELAN. You can easily transfer your transcribed data from ELAN to FLEx, as we will show you later on in the course of this tutorial. In FLEx, you can then build your own dictionary based on the data you have transcribed in ELAN. In FLEx, you can also add glosses to your transcribed texts. The glosses you add are taken from your own FLEx dictionary. You can also create new dictionary entries while adding your glosses. Especially linguists will find this tool very useful for adding glosses to their texts. As for ELAN, you will find the link to download FLEx on your computers in the handout provided online. For linguists, it might also prove useful to install the IPA keyboard on your computers, which is the International Phonetic Alphabet, which you might want to use if you want to do a phonetic transcription of your texts. And this already brings us to the end of the first part of this tutorial. As your first task, please download ELAN and FLEx on your computers and try to open both programs. As mentioned earlier, you will find both download links in the handout.